Hi, I'm Paula from On a String, and I'm so excited to share with you today the launch of the Keepsake Collection. This has been a labour of love in some ways for me, this concept of creating a beaded box range. And there's lots of different beaded boxes out there, and I'd like to think that the one we've created here at On a String is just that little bit different. It's a 3D printed box, and it's one that you're going to be able to bead each month with a different theme. Different lid, different peyote band, strip and design. So let's get into it and have a look exactly what's going on with the Keepsake Collection. Every month you'll get a box in either gold or silver. You get to choose what you want. There will be a different motif on the lid, a heart for example for February. Next month is going to be a leaf for autumn or fall. And this one actually comes with our little 3-piece box set. So there is the lid with the cutout. There is the base of the lid that clicks in here, and then there's the actual box itself. And the box has a little ridge all the way through, which is perfectly designed to fit a 7-bead wide odd count peyote strap in it. And they just click together like that. The ingenious part of this box though is the ability not only to add your little peyote strip that just fits into that little groove nicely with a different pattern every month, but clicking out the lid like this and creating your little piece that goes on top of the base of the lid. So this one's bead embroidery. Each month will be a different design. So it could be bead embroidery, it could be bead weaving. Lots of designs are planned throughout the course of the year. And then when you finish, you just click your lid in place like that. Listen for this. Click, click. And there's the back, nice and tidy and neat. And then it just pops onto the box as well. Every single box will come with a little keepsake gifting card. So if you choose to give your card away, you can actually attach this little card with it. And it says on the back, handmade by and for. So a beautiful little gift if you wanted to give that away. And the subscription, if you subscribe for a 10-month series, you actually then get a little collector's card. And the card enables you to tick off each month what the actual theme of the box is going to be. Now, if you're curious and you just want to choose a single box, you can buy just a single each time as well. So please have a look at the different options at On a String and you'll be able to see what they are. Now, the best part about this though is you get to choose the colours you want to do in your beadwork. For the gold, I've chosen really warm tones of golds and pinks and burgundies, and that's sort of repeated in the theme and here on the box lid. In the silver, I went for a more cool version around greens and black and silver, but totally up to you what you want to do. Gold and silver are such great neutral bases that you can actually build either of those palettes out to be whatever you want them to be. With your Keepsake Collection box, you not only get the box and the 2 little cards, you also get access to instructions to help you actually finish your box. So you'll get a PDF emailed to you as soon as you subscribe or purchase a single box with a word count and a chart for those people who like to do their odd count peyote in different styles. You'll also get instructions on how to do the bead embroidery component of the lid. So depending upon how you like to learn, you also have access to a video. And the video then has step-by-step instructions on me, on YouTube, showing you how to actually complete your box. So you can learn via your pattern or you can learn via the video. Keepsake Collection by On a String, available at onastring.com.au, exclusive to me, Paula, and of course my lovely brother Brian, who works with me on these projects. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you make with your Keepsake Collection.